Let's face it, folks. We live in a world built on stuff. Everywhere you look, there's something that has been manufactured. Your phone, your car, the chair you're sitting on, all made possible by the manufacturing industry. It's the silent force behind our modern conveniences. It's the backbone of our economy, taking raw materials and turning them into the products we use every day. From metals to plastics, everything starts as a raw material. From giant machines to tiny microchips, manufacturing is how we turn ideas into reality. It's a fascinating process that combines creativity with precision. Think about it. Everything you touch has been manufactured in some way. The device you're using to watch this video, the clothes you're wearing, even the food packaging, it's a massive industry, employing millions of people worldwide. These facilities are like small cities, bustling with activity and innovation. And it's not just about assembly lines anymore. The industry has evolved dramatically over the years. Manufacturing has gone high-tech, with robots, computers, and some seriously smart people behind the scenes. These advancements have revolutionized how we produce goods, but it's not all sunshine and roses on the factory floor. There are numerous challenges, from maintaining safety standards to ensuring quality control. There are challenges, risks, and a whole lot of hard work involved in bringing a product to life. Every detail matters and every step is crucial. So, let's dive in and get our hands dirty with the world of manufacturing. It's a journey of transformation, innovation, and relentless effort.
Now, working in manufacturing can be tough. It's not for everyone. The environment is often fast-paced and physically demanding. Long hours, demanding conditions, and the pressure to keep those production lines humming can take a toll on workers. But it's also incredibly rewarding. There's a unique satisfaction that comes from seeing the fruits of your labor. You're building something tangible, something real. Each product that rolls off the line is a testament to your hard work and dedication. There's a certain pride that comes with seeing a finished product roll off the line, knowing your sweat and skill went into making it happen. It's a feeling that can't be easily replicated in other fields. Plus, manufacturing jobs often come with good pay and benefits, providing a solid living for hardworking men and women. These jobs can offer stability and a sense of security.
But it's not without its downsides. The challenges are real and can be daunting. Competition is fierce, both domestically and globally. Companies are always striving to stay ahead, which can create a high-pressure environment. Companies are constantly looking for ways to cut costs and increase efficiency, which can sometimes lead to tough choices and job losses. This can create uncertainty for workers. And let's not forget about the environmental impact of manufacturing. Factories can be significant polluters, contributing to air and water pollution. Finding sustainable solutions is crucial for the future of the industry. Embracing green manufacturing practices can help mitigate environmental damage and ensure a healthier planet for future generations.
The cool thing about manufacturing is that it touches just about every aspect of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, manufacturing plays a crucial role in our daily routines. We're talking everything from the cars we drive to the food we eat, the breakfast cereal you had this morning, manufactured, the coffee you brewed, also a product of manufacturing. Need a new smartphone? Thank a manufacturer. These devices are assembled with precision and care, ensuring we stay connected in our fast-paced world. How about those life-saving medications? Yep, manufacturing again. The pharmaceutical industry relies on advanced manufacturing techniques to produce safe and effective drugs.
Take the automotive industry, for example. It's not just about putting parts together, it's about innovation and efficiency. Building a car is an incredibly complex process, involving thousands of parts sourced from all over the world. Each component must meet strict quality standards. It's a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. Engineers and workers come together to create something greater than the sum of its parts. And then there's the aerospace industry, pushing the boundaries of technology to build the planes that connect us across continents. These marvels of engineering are the result of meticulous manufacturing processes.
But it's not just about big-ticket items. Manufacturing also encompasses the small, everyday items that make our lives easier. Think about the everyday things we take for granted. The utensils in your kitchen, the gadgets in your home office, all brought to you by manufacturing. The clothes we wear, the furniture in our homes, even the humble ballpoint pen, all products of the manufacturing process. Each item goes through a series of steps to ensure it meets our needs. It's a vast and diverse industry, constantly evolving to meet the changing needs of our world. From automation to sustainability, manufacturing is at the forefront of innovation.
As we look to the future, manufacturing is poised for some exciting transformations. With advancements in automation, artificial intelligence, and sustainable practices, the industry is on the brink of a revolution. Q1. What is manufacturing? Manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials into finished products. But in the future, this process will be more efficient and innovative than ever before. Q2. Why is manufacturing important? Manufacturing is crucial for the economy as it creates jobs and produces goods for consumption. And with the integration of new technologies, it will continue to be a cornerstone of economic growth. Q3. What are the types of manufacturing processes? There are several types, including casting, molding, machining, and joining. Each of these processes is evolving with the help of technology, making production faster and more precise. Q4. How has technology impacted manufacturing? Technology has greatly improved efficiency, precision, and safety in manufacturing processes. From 3D printing to robotics, the future is bright for tech-driven manufacturing. Q5. What is the future of manufacturing? The future of manufacturing includes advancements in automation, AI, and sustainable practices. Imagine factories where robots and humans work side by side, where AI predicts and solves problems before they occur, and where sustainability is at the heart of production. But it's not just about technology. The future of manufacturing also means creating more sustainable and eco-friendly processes. From reducing waste to using renewable energy sources, the industry is committed to protecting our planet while meeting the needs of a growing population. In conclusion, the future of manufacturing is a blend of innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. It's an exciting time to be part of this ever-evolving industry, and we can't wait to see what comes next. And that wraps up our look into the world of manufacturing. Whether it's the everyday items we use or the advanced technologies shaping our future, manufacturing is truly the backbone of modern life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights.